Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Kvcore for beginners and what are the things that you need to know if you want to use this tool. So the very first thing that you should do here is we have to open any of our web browser and we have to search for Kvcore, and then you'll be able to see this website. So you just have to click on this one. Okay, and then you'd be redirected to the login page. So here you cannot set up your account from here. So we have to go to the Bold Trail website. So you just have to click on this Learn More Today option if you don't have an account on Kvcore yet, and you'd be directed to this website. So from here, we are going to discuss now the things that you need to know. So if you are looking for this products, so we have the Bold Trail platform, okay, and then the Bold Trail back office. So let's start with the Bold Trail front office platform. Okay, so for the customizable IDX websites, you can keep your brand front and center and showcase your local expertise with high converting IDX websites, maximize lead capture with a modern consumer search experience that rivals the portals, and then hyper-local area pages, home valuation pages, and behavioral insights keep leads coming back. Next is the powerful lead engines. So the most robust and strategic lead gen tools on the market help you effectively drive now business. So no matter your budget, diversity, your lead sources, and drive more leads with higher quality and lower costs through in-house tools directly in your platform. Next is the AI-powered Smart CRM. Surface the hottest opportunities and automate day-to-day tasks so your agents can focus on what they do best, building relationships. Okay, so building relationships with your customers. Next is the Marketing Autopilot. So drive up to 10 times more engagement with both new leads and sphere of influence contacts using a fully automated marketing suite. And for the listing management and marketing, okay, so seamlessly manage and promote all your listings in one central location. Drive maximum listings exposure with integrated social media marketing, including one-click postings to Facebook, bulk testing, and more. And we also have the seamlessly integrated front and back office, business intelligence and analytics, and marketplace and integrations. The next product is the Bold Trail back office. So for the transaction management, checklists, notifications, forms, e-signature, and more, real estate's most intuitive and powerful transaction management. So commission automation, splits, fees, sliding scales, and more in many commission plans as you need. So let the back office do the math. Accounting, agent billing and next day ACH payments, plus chart of accounts, agent transaction ledgers, and more. For the agent management, onboard new agent and keep all agents on track for their goals with ease. Reporting and analytics, real-time data with filters and ability to drill down to explore more. Get started with the built-in reports and use the report builder to go further. The next product is the Bold Trail Recruit. Okay, so here, grow with confidence, recruiting, coaching, and retention to empower your team like never before. So Recruit helps brokerages and teams find agents of all experience levels and within different markets while enabling brokerages to drive meaningful recruiting and value proposition conversations with prospective talent. So the key benefits of Bold Trail Recruit, the first one is the business plan structure and organization. So a detailed dashboard with meaningful market stats and metrics keeps you informed and in the loop with a bird's eye view of entire organizations in one cohesive view so you can make better business decisions quickly and efficiently. Track and measure impact real time, transparency into your agents' key performance indicators such as active and pending listings and transaction volume. Leverage the data to identify performance gaps and coaching opportunities, driving more productivity and better retention. Next is the communications automations. So create and automate personalized recruiting campaigns through the Bold Trail platforms integration to stay connected and top of mind with potential recruits. The next one is the Bold Trail Marketplace. Okay, so here the marketplace, all the tools and solutions you need to fuel your real estate business in one place. Marketplace allows you to further customize Bold Trail with the right solutions to help you build, nurture, and convert your clients with ease and automation. Together with Bold Trail, Marketplace helps you to be more productive and close more deals. So the Bold Trail Marketplace add-ons, so more leads, additional exposure, increased sales, and easier workday. So marketplace tools and solutions are integrated seamlessly with the Bold Trail to help fuel your real estate business. So here we have property boost, leads 360, home and money seller leads, success assurance, smart social leads, nosy neighbor, my agent finder, premium video, voicemail drop, personal smart number, post close companion, premium website. We have premium website add-ons, newsletter and blogs, vanity domain, and done for your services, one-on-one help, Bold Trail Recruit, Bold Trail Back Office, and Team add-on. Here are the built-in integrations, over 50 robust third-party integration into the system and tools you need to create your own tech stack that powers your entire business within one platform. So you have your list right here. Okay, so if you want to request a demo, all you have to do now is to click on this Get a Demo option. Okay, so when you click on the login option, you can log in based on the products that you are going to purchase. So here, all you have to do now is to type out your first name, last name, phone, your email, your company, your team size, your job title, and your product interest so that you'd be able to get a demo. So the Kvcore and the Bold Trail are connected. Bold Trail is certified partner and service provider for Kvcore. So what this means that Bold Trail helps real estate agents, teams, and brokerages set up, customize, and optimize their Kvcore platform. They do not replace the Kvcore but work alongside it, offering done-for-you services like website design, campaign setup, lead generation, and automation tuning, especially for users who find the Kvor's robust system overwhelming or time-consuming to manage alone. So in short, Kvcore is the actual software platform. The Bold Trail helps you get the most out of the Kvcore by setting it up and running it efficiently for you. But remember that the Kvcore is a powerful all-in-one real estate platform designed to help agents, teams, and brokerages generate leads, automate follow-ups, and manage client relationship more efficiently, while the Bold Trail focuses on providing streamlined marketing and operation solutions for real estate professionals with an emphasis on simplicity and personalized service. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.